Good evening, Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana. I'm meteorologist Lucas Bostwick. We're taking a look at radar this evening on a loop, and we can see that there's a cluster of showers and thunderstorms in the northeastern and northern regions of southeastern Texas and southwestern Louisiana around Leesville, stretching over to around Burkeville in that region. And this complex is slowly moving towards the southwest, so we'll see if it makes it further south or not. But more than likely, it will be weakening after a few more hours. We expect that this will eventually die off. Current temperatures are running in the upper 80s, a few mid 80s around, and some even upper 70s, like in Jasper at 79 right now, where they're having some thunderstorms in the region. Satellite radar over the past 3 hours shows that there has been a complex of showers and storms that has been progressing towards the southwest over time, and more than likely will be weakening as it approaches the Beaumont and Lake Charles region over the next few hours. And Futurecast actually shows pretty much nothing at all happening, which obviously isn't the case, but those short storms should be dying off. More importantly, though, tomorrow it's showing that there will be a good chance of storms for southwest Louisiana and southeast Texas. You can see at 3 o'clock tomorrow, we still have a lot of activity, particularly in southeast Texas, closer to the coast is what this model is showing. It might be even further north, though, so we're keeping chances right now at 60% for tomorrow. And this activity eventually will be dying off. And finally, should be calming down by the evening hours. And then we have this disturbance that's in the Gulf and is poorly defined at the moment, but is slowly getting a little bit more organized. And it will be tracking to the northwest over time, closer to the Texas coast. But locally here, we can only expect just a few showers and storms. And right now, the Hurricane Center has a chance at 50% for a tropical depression to form, kind of in the region up around Brownsville, in that area is where it's most likely going to be tracking towards at this moment. And that's because of this ridge of high pressure to our east and also to our north, that'll be blocking the system for really moving much further north. So locally, if anything, we'll be on the eastern side of the system where we will be getting lots of showers and storms. And we can see that on atmospheric moisture, that tomorrow morning, the moisture really starts to push in from the system. And we get quite a bit of moisture into the area for Saturday as well. But then Sunday, it starts to dry out just a little bit. Whereas over southwest Louisiana, there probably will be a bit of higher chance of storms for you. And then as we get into Monday and then into Tuesday, we should continue to see rain chances lingering. And look at that Wednesday. It looks like another good chance of storms will be coming this way. So it's not going to go away anytime soon as far as rain chances. But locally, it's looking like just mainly scattered showers and storms with that moisture coming in from the system in the Gulf. Lows tonight, though, are going to be in the low to mid 70s, upper 70s or 80 at the beach. And then tomorrow, highs are going to be pretty hot, potentially a little bit overdone, possibly on maybe 97 in Livingston. We'll see if it gets that hot up there, depending on when the showers and storms develop. Those highs might be a little bit cooler potentially. But in general, the 7-day outlook does call for about a 60% chance of rain tomorrow, and then 50% on Saturday. Starts to dry out a little bit Sunday, and then rain chances come back up Monday through Wednesday, all the way to Thursday even. We still have some chances there. And then for southwest Louisiana, the same thing. We do have a 60% chance of rain tomorrow, and then we also have a 60% chance of rain on Sunday. And then we start to kind of dry out a little, just a tad, and then look, Tuesday, the rain chances come back up right again. So it's going to be stormy for a while, but eventually it'll start to dry out. So be sure to subscribe to our channel at youtube.com/@GulfCoastWX. A shout out to Do Good Federal Credit Union for sponsoring this video, and also HB Neal Construction. And we'll see you again tomorrow. So have a good evening, everyone.